This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view the jobs that you have applied for on LinkedIn. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into LinkedIn. To view a list of jobs that you have applied for on LinkedIn, you want to go up to the top up here, up to these tabs, and you want to click on the Jobs tab, Jobs. Then on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on My Jobs. Then on the center pane, these tabs across the top up here, Saved, In Progress, Applied, Archived, you want to click on the one that says Applied. And this will show you a list of jobs that you have applied for. I believe LinkedIn keeps these jobs on here for like 6 months, and if you have went off of the LinkedIn website to apply for a job, it probably won't show up on here. But these are the jobs that you have applied for within LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.